What's up, guys? Jacob Davis here, Rocket Courier, where we are Rocket Fast. So here's the thing I want to talk to you about today. Um, Grandparents' rights. So in the state of Texas, grandparents have some visitation rights. They're limited, but there are some rights that grandparents have when one of the custodial parents may be resistant or not allowing them to see the child, right? Now, there's a lot of differences on how the law reads and what exactly it says. So I definitely suggest you reach out to an attorney, a local attorney, because that's something you need to get advice from them on. But I just want to inform you, if you're a grandparent and you haven't seen your grandchildren, there are rights for you to see them, especially if there's a relationship that has existed and it's a benefit to the child. You know, I spent before being full-time and process serving, 22 years. I was a juvenile probation officer here in the state of Texas, and that's where I learned learned a lot about legal documents and legal paperwork and court paperwork, because I spent a lot of time in juvenile court. So I've worked with every type of juvenile case, from runaway all the way to capital murder and everything in between, the sex offenders and everything that exists. So I've got that experience, and I spent a lot of time in front of judges and courts and associate judges and attorneys. And so I've had my hands on court documents for many, many years. In 2018, I opened up Rocket Courier. My wife joined me shortly thereafter. At first, she wasn't ready to deal with legal documents and service of process, but she decided to do that. But ultimately, the message here I want to give you is that if you are a grandparent in the state of Texas and you have not had any visitation with your grandchild, call an attorney, ask for advice, seek an attorney's assistance, and see about your rights, because there are rights for you to have visitation. The point I was getting at is this: having been a juvenile probation officer for so many years, I know the importance of a child having a relationship with their family, with their parents, with their grandparents. Grandparents hold a history. They hold a lot of background. They hold a lot of things that the children need to have knowledge of. So once again, Jacob Davis here at Rocket Courier. If you're a grandparent and you have not had contact with your grandchild for quite some time, I suggest that you reach out to an attorney. If one of the parents, custodial parents, is not allowing you to have contact or something like that with the child, contact them. Contact the attorney and ask what your rights are. And if you need somebody to serve those documents, we're here to do that for you. And actually, we would love to help you do that, because, like I said, I know the value of the relationship for the child in need. So once again, Jacob Davis at Rocket Courier, where we are Rocket Fast.